boys and girls, this is Miss Lynette at Discovery Garden Montessori School today, and we are working on a long vowel pattern in words, which is vowel, consonant, silent E. The rule is when we have the silent E, our silent E makes it jump back over the consonant and makes that vowel say its own name. Today we're going to be talking about the long U sound that's just going to say U in the middle of your word. So let's take a look. If we went to the freezer and opened up the freezer door and needed an ice cube, let's think about how we're going to spell the word cube. What do we hear at the beginning of that sound, that word? K, k, k. U, it says its own name. K, U, b. And since that says its own name, U, we have to put the final silent E on it, which makes it jump back over that consonant and makes that vowel say its own name, cube. All right, let's try another one. Let's try to write the word mute. That means no sound when we're doing a Zoom conference. So if we want to spell the word mute, think about the beginning sound. What do we hear? U, t. And we can't just leave it like that. Since this is the long U sound, we have to put that silent final E on there. And remember, our rule is when we have that silent final E, it jumps back over and makes that vowel say its own name, mute. Let's try one more. I bet everybody when you were little and still do say that you are cute. So if we're gonna spell the word cute, what do we hear at the beginning? K, U, it says its own name. T. And we can't just leave it when it has that long vowel sound. We have to put our silent final E on the end because our rule is the E makes it jump back over the consonant and makes that vowel say its own name. Cute, cute. Let's do one more. I want you to think about taking a trip to the zoo and what is the biggest animal that you see, which is an elephant. And you may say that it is huge. So if you're gonna spell huge on your paper, what do you hear at the beginning? U, it says its own name, huge. Some of you might write a J, and that's okay when you're beginning. But now we know this has the long U sound, and we can't just leave it like that, or that word is hug. So now we have to have U, so it has to have your silent final E on there. It makes that vowel jump back over the consonant, and the vowel says its own name. Huge, huge. So now that you know the pattern and the rule, let's try to read some words together that have the long U sound. And I'm going to show you the word and I want you to try to say it before I say it. So remember, it's going to have the vowel, consonant, silent E pattern. Rule. Tune. Rude, crude, brute, plume, tube, and the last one, Duke. So boys and girls, when you're reading or writing and you see that pattern, vowel, consonant, silent E, I want you to remember that the vowel is long. It always says its own name. So try that when you're reading or writing.